Hey guys, I'm in beautiful Vero Beach, Florida on a gorgeous day, and I'm outside the Hallmark, which is a floor plan built by Devasta Homes here in Harbor Isle, and I can't wait to show you. Let me camera here. This is an absolutely gorgeous model. It's coming in at 1,655 square feet, and you have the options of getting either 2 bedrooms and a den, or you can upgrade to a full 3rd bedroom. Nice pavered walkway, pavered driveway as well. Very nice. It's covered up here as well, so if you get rained on, no problem. Let's go and see what this Hallmark has to offer. Right away, you got that nice little touch of that little coat rack or little coat hangers with the wood there. Love what these new construction builders have been doing with the decorations. All right. It's going to be a pretty linear floor plan. You're gonna have your kitchen, living room, dining room, all kind of in one go. Open concept home, quartz countertops throughout. Look at that, very good looking home. Has nice crown molding running all the way on the cupboards and across the ceiling. Got nice backsplash as well. And did you notice? Gas. Gas range. This is going to be a natural gas community. A lot of people like that. I've never used natural gas, but I've heard it's a lot easier to cook with. And I know a lot of northerners from Massachusetts, Maine, Connecticut, all of them moving down here love it when it's gas. Very nice living room here. Everything is very intentional. You can tell that, that's the living room. Your nice outside patio here, screened in. Let's take a look. Everything on this lens is going to look a little smaller because it's a 0.6 camera angle lens, but there's a lot of room. Pavered as well. That's a nice site, maybe grilling on a beautiful day like it is today here in Vero Beach. Absolutely gorgeous weather here in the springtime. Good looking home. Let me take you through the master. Everyone wants to see. Again, we have those nice little wood slats on the wall. Gives the room a lot of character. And it gives the people coming in to buy the home a couple ideas as to how to decorate their home. I know when I bought my new construction home with D.R. Horton, I bought the Cali model. I took a few pointers. Nice tile here, nice big grayish tannish tile. Nice double vanity. Let me get out of the shot here. Look at that. Very nice color schemes. I like the blue with the white and the chrome. Looks really nice. And over here you're gonna get a stand-in shower as well. Nice tile. You're gonna have a nice little bench there as well. So yeah, very good looking. Very nice. Then behind here is going to be the toilet. All right. Nice tall ceilings too. I'm not sure the measurement, but I'm a guy that's 6'2". It doesn't make me feel small, so that's a bonus for all the tall people out there. Very good looking master. All right, let me quickly show you the guest bedroom and kind of the den area. Once again, great looking backyard. Great looking main living area. And let me show you this area. It's kind of different. So I'm guessing this one is the 2-bedroom model, and you can have them customize this to a 3rd bedroom, so it's completely walled off with its own door, and then there's another bedroom, and we'll get to that in just a second. But I'm guessing they just left this one as the den. It's not behind a closed door. Nice little gathering room, or could double as an office. Then you're gonna have your guest bathroom here. Nice and tiled. Quartz countertops. Good looking guest bathroom. And you're gonna have your guest bedroom. And I wish I could have whoever came in and designed these homes, as far as the decoration and color combos, I need to have a chat with them, because my home isn't this put together. Another nice little touch, a very cool decorative wood slab there. So yeah, this is the Hallmark, guys. What are you thinking? What are you a fan of? What are you not a fan of? I'll tell you right now, I am not a huge fan of this room right here. It just kind of feels weird. If I had a guest staying in that room over there, they would have to pass through over here. Just doesn't really make sense to me. If it was me, I would have that as a third bedroom. This would be a full 3-2. But hey, that's just me. But let me know your thoughts, guys. What did you think about this floor plan? What did you like? What did you not like? Let me know in the comment section down below. I would really appreciate it if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot, and it encourages me to do more of these videos here throughout Indian River County and the Treasure Coast for you guys. So it would mean the world to me if you could please leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. I am a real estate agent here in Vero Beach, so if you had any questions at all, please feel free to give me a call, text, email, whatever you're comfortable with. I'd absolutely love helping you out on your move here to Florida. With that being said, everyone, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.